So this is the Ecoflow 2, and this was purchased online through Argos with a saving of around £30. I wanted the device to power a Cpap machine whilst in the motorhome. This is the standard UK NHS Cpap machine, which is 12 volts, as you can see there, 6.7 amps, and I've bought an adapter from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description just up here below and up here to the item. This is not sponsored, by the way. The Ecoflow, as you can see from the attached pictures, managed to power this going down to just 70% or 77% overnight, and that's with 9 hours sleep. That's not with a humidifier on, and that is through the 12 volt adapter. I use the solar panel, as you can see just here on the screen, to charge. Took around about 3 hours in a cloudy day to take it from 99, and we're still on 100% now, even though I'm running this little device over here. I've not tested these ports here, but I will do that now. I'll have a go with one of these, but overall really impressed with this. I have been using something very similar to that, which is currently plugged in, so I'll carefully try and bring it over, and this is 99 watt hours, whereas this one is, I think, 230, and this was £99 from Amazon, and they're still on sale. Really good, but only gives 2 cycles before it runs to completely zero on the Cpap machine. So this one probably would last around about 4 days with just using the Cpap. But again, because you can charge up in what was a very cloudy day in 4 hours, then really impressed with that in comparison to this. But also this has got the, I think it's called the MPPT charger inside. So I'll now just go and grab a mains powered item and one mixer here. This is 230 volts, 125 watts, so well within the power range I would have thought on here. This, and it is just a case of plugging in, switching the AC button on, and then that should work. And as you can see on there, just for a quick beat like that, just 1% of power, absolutely fantastic. And when I did email Ecoflow asking them about whether I needed the bigger device, they were very much trying to push one of the tall, more powerful units, but for a weekend away and with the solar power. But of course you can charge it not just on solar, you've got the USB-C on the front to charge, but you've also got on the back here a connection there where your solar goes in, but that's also for the 12 volt to charge off the engine when you're in your vehicle, and the 230 volt charger there. So overall, absolutely impressed with this. Well worth the £230, and certainly didn't need the bigger one